Hello, my name is Leah Wild, and this is my framework overview. So my main topic I wanted to talk about was bottlenose dolphins. And after a lot of research and my experience working at a zoo and everything, obviously that main cause now for bottlenose dolphins with biodiversity issues would be human activity. So there's really four main components that all kind of intertwine together. That's what I have listed here. So of course, climate change is one of the biggest issues that we're having that goes for everywhere on the planet. It's affecting every species and every live thing in the entire world right now, as well as global warming, which kind of go hand in hand. So with that, there's a lot of things that go underneath, so I listed just a few of them, just kind of give a good idea to what I would be talking about. So of course, we have a decrease in their prey due to the warmer temperatures and all the fluctuations going on in ocean acidification, habitat loss. So the heat waves with the warmer temperatures coming in, it's actually showing scientific reports that it's actually slowing reproduction rates within dolphins, so population is going down. So that's kind of a little short overview of what I have to talk about over there. Which kind of goes into corporations and different organizations having issues with dolphin meat. That's really big in Asian countries as well. There's big hunts that go on every single year. And then with corporations go overfishing, so it's taking up a lot of their food sources. And it also that kind of goes right back into our pollution categories, a couple of those under there. So of course there's chemical waste that is being put into the ocean. Plastic is a huge issue all over the world. That's all is leading to the ocean, and it can be mistaken for different kind of food sources for them, such as, they like the jellyfish and everything. Noise pollution is one of the biggest ones. So dolphins use echolocation to find their food and navigate around, and with all that noise, they're not able to find their way around and do what they're needing to do. It actually can cause permanent damage to their hearing or absolute hearing loss. Oil pollution, and of course another big one that kind of goes in corporations too, is fishing gear. My main audience for this would definitely be just anybody who is in the wildlife conservation groups and field. NOAA, of course, they're super big with all of this. General public, it's really good to spread that information and get all that out there. And of course, any scientists or researchers that are involved with this area. So that is what I have so far. I do have some couple more things I think I would like to include with this that I think that could go along. But that is what I have as of this moment.